Alright guys, here we have I won't be doing this, but my person I just subscribed to right before we went to World Cup final, which you all saw there, Leroy breathes snow, moving him into Texas speed boost. Obviously they're up north somewhere, and I'm guessing it's right around 38 degrees, something like that, because it is snowing outside. So let's do a snow start, cold start. Let's see what we got for Leroy here.
Leroy, if you don't start right now, I am putting you on Craigslist.
What you think, guys?
Come on.
Oh, she fired.
Come on. Finesse it.
No, the battery. Oh, damn.
No, this starter's not going to overheat. These freaking conditions. Fire.
Try two.
Come on, baby. Wow, you're spinning it over.
Alright, you gotta talk to a battery company while we're here.
No,
Not Walmart.
never start for life. It's the OG right here.
Told you not to put Mountain Dew in your battery.
I know Walmart.
Damn.
I'll talk to them. I'm sure they're coming to PRI. It's really starting to come down out here.
It's gonna be really slushy soon.
Thinking about it. There you go. There she is. Sweet.
Dude, this is getting crazy.
It's snowing really bad.
Winter's conditions. Alright, everybody hop on.
We gotta close
Awesome.
the doors.
Oh crap.